bring in the right talent, pay them well, pay them on time. And I think these five things put together can actually help you achieve your first million reasonably easily.
Welcome to Unstoppable Podcast with Harry Sardinas, inspiring conversations with influential millionaires, investors, thought leaders, entrepreneurs who are making a massive difference with their innovative products and services, and sharing the challenges and wisdom of how they sold their first million.
How would you like to achieve your first million? And today we have Rashesh Doshi with us, which is the founder of Talent Corner HR Services, and tell us. And he's joining us from India. So tell us, what are the 5 steps that you recommend entrepreneurs in order to sell the first million?
Thanks, Harry. Thank you so much for this question. And what I'm going to share with you, Harry, and the listeners is my journey of what I thought helped Talent Corner, which is my company, achieve its first million. I think the first thing is to understand who are your customers. We as entrepreneurs are so emotionally involved in our product or our service that sometimes we don't really look at what our customers or who our customers are and what is it that they require. We try to cater to all segments of customers, whereas the truth being, you can't make everybody happy. You can't build a product or a service for everybody. It has to be for a few people. It has to be for a focused segment of people. I think the first learning that I've had is that you need to know who your customers are, and that involves, of course, a considerable amount of market research to understand the size of your market and ensure that you're actually building a product for them. The second thing that Harry, I've learned is, always try to solve a problem which is existing for them, and also make sure that your marketing, the perception that the marketing is created, is clearly communicating this problem that you're solving. Some bitter learnings for us have been that, you have a product which is solving a particular problem, but your marketing is not speaking loud enough or is not speaking the correct language when it comes to, telling the world that you're able to solve the problem. So, of course, I believe in order to earn your first million, you need to have the marketing which is communicating how you're able to solve the problem. The third thing that has, of course, helped us a lot is in terms of tracking every single penny, right? I think as entrepreneurs, if you want to achieve a certain milestone, you need to make sure that your every penny invested is creating returns for you, that you need to know where it is being invested. And I think that's a learning that we've got. Monitor the cash flow, keep a track of where you're investing every single rupee, because that single rupee or single penny is going to create the next million if you invest it well. The fourth one, I think, which helps you to build the first million is, of course, network and build your mentors. I think there is enough spoken about how the network can help you build or to scale your business. You need to talk to the right people. You need to ask for support. You need to ask for advice. You need to reach out to people and get them as your mentors, because I think you can't do this entire thing alone. You have to do it along with people who believe in you and your journey. And the last, I think for me, the biggest learning has been you need the right talent with you. I'm in the HR business. There's no one more appreciative of bringing in the right talent in the organization. Bring in the right talent, pay them well, pay them on time. And I think these 5 things put together can actually help you achieve your first million reasonably easily.
Follow us for more interviews with world's most influential, audacious entrepreneurs that overcame challenges and adversity, providing you with the blueprint of how they sold their first million so you can grow your business exponentially.